Welcome to this geometry guide. Today, we are going to learn how to find the sum of all the interior angles inside any polygon. The secret lies in a simple, powerful formula, n-2 multiplied by 180 degrees. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly where this formula comes from and how to use it. First, let us quickly review what a polygon is. A polygon is simply a closed shape with straight sides. The most common ones you know are triangles, which have 3 sides, quadrilaterals with 4 sides, and pentagons with 5 sides. The letter n is often used in math to represent the number of sides a shape has. When we talk about the angle sum, we are focusing on the interior angles. These are the angles inside the shape at each corner or vertex. Our goal is to figure out what total number we get if we add up all these orange angles shown on the screen. To solve this for big shapes, we need to start with the simplest polygon, the triangle. There is a fundamental rule in geometry that you must remember. The sum of the angles in any triangle is always exactly 180 degrees. This is the building block for everything else. Let us see what happens with a 4-sided shape, or quadrilateral. If we pick just one corner and draw a line to the opposite corner, we split the shape into exactly 2 triangles. Since each triangle is 180 degrees, 2 triangles equal 2 times 180, which is 360 degrees. Does this pattern hold? Let us look at a pentagon with 5 sides. Again, pick one corner and connect it to the other corners. This time, we create 3 distinct triangles inside the pentagon. 3 triangles times 180 degrees gives us a total of 540 degrees. Now we can see a clear pattern emerging. A triangle has 3 sides and 1 triangle inside. A quadrilateral has 4 sides and 2 triangles. A pentagon has 5 sides and 3 triangles. Notice that the number of triangles is always 2 less than the number of sides. So for any shape with n sides, there are n-2 triangles. This leads us directly to our general formula. To find the sum of interior angles S, we take the number of sides n, subtract 2 to find the number of triangles, and multiply the result by 180 degrees. This formula works for any polygon, no matter how large. Let us try an example. Suppose we have an octagon like a stop sign. An octagon has 8 sides, so n equals 8. We plug 8 into our formula. 8 minus 2 is 6. Then we multiply 6 by 180 degrees. The total sum of the angles in an octagon is 1080 degrees. So, to recap, any polygon can be divided into triangles. The number of triangles is always the number of sides minus 2. Because every triangle adds 180 degrees, we just multiply that count by 180. Remember, sum equals n-2 times 180.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.